When should you review an estate plan that you've made? Hi, I'm Aaron Kendall of Kendall Law Group, an estate planning and probate attorney here in Michigan. Question for today is, when should you review your estate plan? The answer is, any of your estate planning documents should be reviewed and potentially amended in every 5 years. Reason for this is simple. Your life changes and the law also changes. Now, what kind of changes can be affected here? You may have another child. They really should be mentioned in your estate plan. You may have different decisions about where you want your assets to go. You may have acquired different assets. For example, you may have purchased another house since the last time you did an estate plan. That needs to be incorporated into your estate plan. In addition, the law changes. If you have an estate plan from back, say, in the 1990s, the estate tax was much different then. Currently, the estate tax exemption is $11 million, which means that for the vast majority of people, the estate tax is no longer a factor and no longer a problem. However, if you have an estate plan from the early 90s, the estate tax cutoff was much lower, which means that your plan may cause problems now. As such, it really does need to be reviewed and updated. In addition, the law does change in other favorable ways for you. Michigan has recently adopted a method for you to control your digital rights via your estate plan. That means that your online accounts, online passwords, emails, and all the rest can now be accessed by your personal representative or trustee without a serious amount of hassle if your estate plan is updated to include these digital access rights. So this is clearly a very important item for you to incorporate into your estate plan. So again, at a minimum, you should have your estate plan looked at every 5 years, but maybe even sooner. For example, if you've had a new child born to your family, or if you've adopted one, or if you've purchased some new property, all of those are triggering events that should be immediately looked at and have your estate updated. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at either my Facebook group, Michigan Estate Planning and Asset Protection, or at my website, kendall-law.com, and I'd be happy to help you. Thank you.